everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on this video we are going to take a look at Beauty Big Bang stamping set. This is a set of 17 pieces. 14 out of the 17 pieces are stamping plates, the round and the square. So if you guys didn't know, Beauty Big Bang has been putting together some stamping kits together with it, where you have the set of a variety of plates with a stamper and a scraper and a holder as well. So a very good kit for beginners. Go check them out. They are in their website. I will have it linked down below, the direct link to this kit. And these are also available in the US warehouse. So if you haven't checked it out, go see and find out. Yes, there is shipping, but some items, I'm not particularly talking about this one, I have noticed because I've made some purchase from the US warehouse. And even though you're paying shipping, some items are maybe $1 or $2 less than their regular websites. So yeah, and I apply my code NAQ57, 10% discount, and yeah, that was pretty good. So not bad, and it ships 3 to 5 days within the US. Okay, so back to the kit here. This is a beautiful box that it comes in, or this is the box for the kit. When it was shipped to me, the box was separate and it was empty, and then all the items that go inside were in separate packaging. I don't know why, but I put it together here so you can see how everything goes nice inside. And I'm going to go ahead and open it up. It included this nice colorful pamphlet with some information on some beauty items, not just nail, but there's also some beauty items that you can find on beautybigbang.com. This beautiful tool bag here with the bow, the purple bow, it's adorable. So in here was the case, and I went ahead and took it out, of course. So this case, this is where you will store your stamping plates. Beautiful holographic display case. I do have one of these already. I'm going ahead and taking it out of the bag, and this will hold 20 of your small plates. Okay, it has pockets front and back, so you can put them in here. And if it's got 2 snaps, so if it's too thick, too close, you can choose either one. But this is a nice leather like type of cover. I do like this case. And he came also with this. Here's a close-up. This is the rectangular jelly clear stamper. Oh, it's super squishy. And guys, it's the first rectangular stamping or stamper that I have that it's clear. I have an old one that is the white. It's not see-through. So yeah, I was happy to get this. It's got their logo right there. So very cute, super squishy, very soft. The only thing, it doesn't have a cap for protection. I wish it had that, but it doesn't. And this is the hollow, so it's not covered. And then we have the scraper. So the scraper, as you can see, it's got their logo, and it has Christmas decorations in them. And I've been using one of these. I actually damaged one of them. I'm glad I got this one to replace it because it's one of my favorites, so it's not too stiff. And then we have, this is their business card, all the plates. So 14 plates. I have, these are 11 through 15 right here. Beautiful cases. And then I mean, these are all the plates that are included in this set, guys. Wow, 14 plates. 14 plates. These are 16 through 28. Yes, 28. I'm going to give you a peek of, so you can see what all these plates are, so you can see the designs and the themes before we jump into swatches. Here's the first one right here. This one's number 11. And take a look, guys. So cool. It's got to me, very Aztec-like, but I like the pie sign right there in the center. That would have been cool for Pie Day. And as you can see, they have the protective film. All of them do. And the Beauty Big Bang logo sticker on the back. Here's number 12. The sleeves do give you a hint for what you can expect on what the signs are on the plate. So this is another buffet style, just like the first one I showed. We have some patterns and some flowers, and a nice flower in the center. Here's number 13. super cool. We have more patterns. I'm not sure that they will be animal patterns, but there you go. It's just very abstract patterns, but it has a flower in the center. Number 14. A beautiful spring theme with flowers. Number 14 or 15. Oh, this was so pretty. I like the negative images here. So this is like a kid looking at the moon under the stars, and this is like an origami reindeer there, or yeah, and then these patterns right here. Here I have number 16. Very abstract optical illusion type of images or patterns. Again, buffet style. Number 17. Gorgeous flowers. I love that butterfly in the center. So pretty. Very delicate designs here. Very, oh, so perfect for spring. And speaking of spring, here's number 18. Can you guess what this is? It's right around the corner. Number 18. Oh, look at the bunnies for Easter. I love the bunny feet right there. So cute. Perfect for Easter. And I noticed it jumps from 18 to 23. So this is 23. It's not 19. And now we're in the square plates. This one has the 6 images. Check it. Oh, I got it upside down. So look, the flowers in the baskets. I love this. This is so different. This is like another one of those that I look at is I want to fit the entire thing on my nails. So I wanted to look just like that. So you see, it also has the sticker on the back. Number 24. Another square one. And so more baskets or flowers in the baskets, but these are more squares. So, and if you have short nails like I do now, you can use just the basket part of it for the nail part. You know, if you just wanted this pattern on the nail, and maybe separate this and use this kind of like a moon or a French tip. Yeah, so this one you can do that with with this one as well. So this was number 24. Number 25. Wow, so many beautiful plates, guys. OMG. Look at these butterfly wings. Ha. Yeah, this is when I won. Big nails. Not just long, but wide. Yeah. Oh, yes. I will be shrinking these. I forgot. Gosh, I almost forgot that I do have a pretty cool way to shrinking these images. So I'll be doing that and definitely color them in. Gorgeous. Number 25, guys. Now we move to number 26. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you know what this is already. Any kitty cat fans? Look at him, so cute. Oh, look at this one. He's wearing a bow tie. Cute kitty cat. We have number 27. A summer plate full of ice cream images, ice cream cones, single images, and some full nail images. Very cute, very cool. Last one here, a beach theme, number 28. I am loving this one. As many places as I have with beach themes, believe it or not, there's images here that I do not have with the boat like this boat, that huge wave, and look at this whale. Look at that whale. And yes, I like this one here. You see a sailboat with the birds in the sky and the ocean waves. I love this. This is one of my favorites. There's about 3 or 4 that really stand out to me as far as being different or something that I don't have. Okay, guys, so that is the close-up of all these plates. Now I am going to move on to doing swatches and all of these. I'm obviously not going to try all the images, but a few, 2 or 3 images from each plate so we can see how well they work. Also, I want to use this stamper and their scraper, although I've used these before. I know they work really, really well. Can't wait to try this square and see how I get used to it. And I will be using a regular polish. I will not be using a stamping polish. I'll stamp on paper. We'll check out those swatches and then I will meet you back at the end. As far as designs, I will have those in future videos, so you guys stay tuned for those. Okay guys, so here are all the swatches. You saw me, I went ahead with the round plates. I went ahead and used Beauty Big Bang's round large stamper to make it easier to try to pick up as much of those images as possible. Look how beautiful they are. And I realized out of all the round plates, the Easter one is the only one that is not a buffet style type of plate. But then look at these images. They are, I mean, they are well connected together almost. They're pretty large. I love, look at her with her eyelashes. Oh, so precious. The beautiful images here. So these are all the round plates. And then I went ahead and did the rectangular plates with the rectangular stamper, and I have to say, so this was a bit of a learning curve for me. Tell me if you guys kind of went through this same thing, if you have one of these before, and because yeah, which way am I stamping? And I was trying to get the image straight up. Now but it did really well. I'm really happy to have this, and I'm going to tell you why. Just the other day I was thinking one of these square or rectangular stamper will be easier to work with the layering images, the layering stamping, because that way you know which way you have it. You know, unlike a round one, you can never find, obviously, right? You don't have walls. Every side is the same. But with a square stamper like this, then you'll know when you pick up an image, you'll know it's easier to tell when you have them straight up. You know what I mean? I will try to demonstrate because Beauty Big Bang has a layering plate. So yeah, and obviously, yeah, you can mark them maybe which way is up or down when you're using it. But I think a straight edge stamper will make layering stamping easier. And I'm talking about the images that you layer on top of each other to make one image in different colors. Now look at these beautiful butterfly wings. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous. And the flower baskets, and I'm gonna, here's some more of the flower baskets, the ice cream plate, the kitty cats. That was the last one. Look at that well. So cool. So that is the end of the review, guys. If you have questions about any of these, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I will also have the link to this set down in the description bar below, as well as my code NAQ57 to save you a 10% on Beauty Big Bang. I would like to thank Beauty Big Bang for sending me this gorgeous kit to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.